When dealing about arithmetic sequences, we can have three types of sequences. They are an increasing, arithmetic, sequence, and in this case we are going to have this sequence or sequences like 5, 10, 15, 20, or we could have maybe 0.5, 1.0, let's put like this, 1.5, 2.0, so on. Or we could have, for instance, minus 17, minus 12. I'm just adding 5, right? And the next one would be 7, minus 7, right? Then minus 2, then plus 3, 8, and so on. Okay, we are always increasing because the difference between the next term and the previous one, we are going to say this: the d is always greater than 0. Greater than 0, not 0, okay? And if we just ask, let's just establish in here, what is d? D, it is just a n minus a sub n minus 1. Okay? And let's just give some names. This d has a name. This d, it is called the common difference. The d we call the common difference. Okay, it is a difference between this and this. This is a n and this is a sub n minus 1. Okay, this is when you just do this. Let's take those two, for instance. D is going to be 2.0 minus 1.5, 0.5. This is D. Whenever D it is positive, not 0, okay? It is positive but different than 0, then we have an increasing arithmetic sequence. What is the other case we have? The second case, we have a decreasing arithmetic sequence. And in this case, let's change color. D, it is going to be less than 0. And for that, here, there, well, so anything, for instance, 5, 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 7, and so on. D in here, it is minus 3. We are always subtracting 3. Let's make another one, maybe 90, 80, 70, 60, and so on. Or maybe minus 3, minus 8. I'm just subtracting 5. Okay, each time subtracting 5. Minus 13, minus 18, minus 23, and so on. So in this case, let's just put it here. In this case, let's take any arbitrary number. So in this case, D, it is going to be minus 13 minus the previous term, minus 8. And this is going to be minus 13 plus 8, and this is minus 5. So minus 5, because it is less than 0, we are going to say it is a decreasing arithmetic sequence. And of course, we can also have a constant, constant arithmetic sequence. And for that, let's try to use what color? Let's use the green one. In this case, D equals 0. And this one is very easy, okay? So any sequence where we have the same numbers like 3, 3, 3, 3, so on. Or maybe pi, pi, pi. And if we just perform the difference between two terms, what is the difference? The common difference, right? The common difference is going to be pi minus pi, which is 0. So those are the three types of arithmetic progression we have.